In this video, we will explore the best practices for assigning candidates to the testing session. After you have prepared the content for your test, you need to create a testing session and assign it to the candidates so that they can see it in their assignments panel. There are a few ways to do this. Let's start by creating a testing session where we will manually assign candidates. Click the New Testing Session button. Enter the session name. Optionally, you can add a location that you have previously created to automatically update the test with the time zone, proctors who will monitor the test, etc. Otherwise, you can define the time zone yourself. Then, define the test availability period. You can assign candidates to it by clicking on the Add Candidates button. A list of application users will appear, and you should select one or more candidates from here. Use the search box to find users by their usernames, first or last names, etc. To select candidates, tick the box next to their usernames and click on the Confirm button. If you want to assign a specific group of candidates to a testing session, during the testing session creation, click on the Assign to Group option. A drop-down menu will open where you can choose the desired group. After saving the testing session, you can manually choose which candidates from the selected group can access the test. You can also assign this testing session to a training course, which means that this test can be accessed only in a specific training course by the candidates. Note that this option cannot be selected later, but only when creating a session. After you have assigned the candidates to the testing session, and when the test is published, they will see the test in their My Assignments panel. Note that the candidates can be subsequently added to the testing session at any time. The second way is to allow candidates to assign themselves to the session. This is what we call the self-enrollment testing session. First, choose or create the desired testing session, and enable the candidate self-enrollment option by selecting the toggle button. When the testing session is self-enrolling, the test will be automatically visible to all candidates in their My Assignments panel. If the group of candidates is assigned to a testing session and a self-enrollment option is enabled, only that group of candidates can book that testing session. By creating a self-enrollment testing session, a direct link is created too. You can send it to the candidates who can directly enroll in the test using the link. In conclusion, assigning candidates to a testing session can be done in different ways, either by adding candidates manually or enabling the self-enrollment option for the testing session.